You just nugged yourself. This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. Imagine nuggets, mayonnaise, supercharged sauce, and an original recipe fillet, all on a toasted sesame seed bun. Well, the real reason we're here is for these delicious golden nuggets. Yeah, it's a little bit pricey for $8.95, but it is on the secret menu. Wow, look at that! So we've got supercharged sauce, mayo, four nuggets, cheese, ooh, posh cheese, well, it's all there, but you know what? I could go one better on that. While you're here, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. And buy some merchandise too, because I'm poor and I need money. Well, I'm a cheeky little bugger, and this is a pretty easy recipe. Start off with getting 24 pieces of nuggets. Make sure you get your supercharged sauce and your aioli mayo. Buy an original recipe fillet. Heal your bread bun. Drop on some mayo and chuck on your nuggies. Original recipe fillet, some posh cheese, and chuck that supercharged sauce on the crown. See? Told ya. I made that for a fraction of the price, and I didn't even have to cook anything. No need for me to tell you go nug yourself, KFC. You've done a good enough job of that. Looks just as good, and I bet it's just as nice. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.